Hey Harley fam, this is Jordyn coming to you from Keystone Harley-Davidson. I want to take a walk around of the 2021 Road Glide Special. I've got my friend here, Reno, who's going to go around the bike with me today. See if we can cover some questions we commonly get about the Road Glide and other touring models. So first of all, this thing is a nice big bike. It's already prepared for two to comfortably go the distance. You just got to pick your destination and go. So amongst the other awesome features it has, delightfully, one of my favorites is the one-touch saddlebags. Really happy with the Mount Rushmore project. They went through and went over the bike and made as many things truly one-touch as possible to make it easy on the road to grab your water bottle, get a swig, check your map, what you got to do. No other bike does. You do have extra storage on these guys. Right in here, you got storage for a nice big phone, keys, whatever you like to carry. You got a USB connection for your charging cord. Ah yes, accommodates the big ones too. Nice. Doubles your storage when compared to a Batwing. You've got another compartment over here. Of course, you've got the 12-volt adapter plug right there, so if you need to run an air compressor on the fly, got some additional electronics or heated gear that you don't have a direct connect line for, you can plug it in right there. So along up here, you've got your speakers, you've got your most important gauges, also got your infotainment system here, which we do have set up right here, taking a look at the GPS. But along with that, also have, excuse me one second, quick links. Some things you may need on the fly, like the nearest gas stations, places to eat, hotels, Harley-Davidson dealerships if you need a repair on the fly, as well as first responders, fire, police, and hospitals that you can pre-program and have ready to go in the case of an emergency. How do you feel back there, Reno?
Yeah, this isn't actually that bad. I'm surprised. I've never been on the back of the bike before, and it's I don't know what she's complaining about. This is a comfortable seat.
They're built for comfort for two, to go to the distance. You just pick the destination and go. Come on down to Keystone Harley-Davidson, Lehigh Valley's premier Harley-Davidson dealership, and take one for a joyride.